Pretty good for one sub.
One fucking, yeah, it does the job.
Into your window.
I have a DD15.
Okay.
Supercharged. He's got two FI 18s.
Oh wow, okay.
I have 2,000 watts. I have a 300 amp alternator. I'll have AUX gauge wire and 2 batteries and like I said, a 2,000 watt amp wired to a speaker.
Yes, sir.
And my brother from Pressurized Cabins.
Pressurized cabins, all right.
Yep. Built the box. My brother built the box.
How big is it?
I don't know. You got to talk to him about it.
You don't know? Okay.
I don't know.
But you know the tuning?
Nope. You got to talk to him.
Okay.
You got to talk to him about all that shit.
All right.
My brother got into it, bro. He got into it, and yeah,
awesome.
I just don't know, bro.
So this is an SC supercharged?
Yeah, bro. It's got
nice.
It's got lithium, or what we call that? It's some kind of different magnet in between the two.
I don't know. Is it Neo?
Neo magnet. Yep.
Yeah.
That's it,
Okay.
that's it.
What is it rated at? The subwoofer?
I don't know.
You don't know?
You can take up to 4,000 watts.
Wow. Okay.
I got 2,000 watts on it now, and that's the amp right
what's
there.
What's it wired to?
And it's wired. It's wired at a half ohm.
Okay.
And I got a push-pull system for air cooling.
Oh,
yeah.
okay. Yes, sir.
So yeah, it pushes air in and pulls air out.
Okay.
And because before it's clipping.
Gotcha.
Clip.
That helps.
And then
yeah.
Michael, my brother, he said, I got an idea. We're gonna stop that problem. And he built me that, and he put 2 on. Basically, I think they're fucking computer fucking fans or something, but
okay.
I have no problem anymore.
Awesome.
I can play as long as I want. The speaker don't like it.
Yeah.
That's my brother. You see my brother come over and turn
Yeah.
shit down?
Yeah.
Like, you gotta give it a break, Mark.
I like the way you brace the box with
yeah.
this strap.
Oh, I had to.
It moves everywhere
Oh
otherwise.
yeah, man. It's screwed down too.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. What vehicle is this?
But the truck is a 2002 Chevy on the Extended Cab 1500.
All right.
Dude, you're shaking the fuck out of my truck. You need to go look at that one.
I'll come check it out after. You want to give me a little more flex demo? Or you let it cool off?
Let's let it cool off.
All right, I'll come.
do a little later.
Sounds good.
Sorry, brother. The box and any specs he wants
Yeah, like
to.
box specs.
Oh, the box is 4.3 cubes, tuned at 31.8.
Okay.
It's doubled up all the way around, of course.
And you built it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I built this one.
What size sub was it?
That's a DD 95.
9500 supercharged?
Yeah.
Okay. On stock alternator?
No, it's got a Macman 270, I believe.
Okay. Awesome. Pressurized cabins.
I'm glad we ain't gotta run away from nobody.
Yeah, he said he was, what did he say? I can't remember. How much power was it he was running on it?
Same amp I'm running. API.
Oh, it is just one of them?
A half ohm.
And it handles it.
No problem.
Man.
I put a push-up pull fan system on it.
Yeah.
Just a little
That's what he was telling me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that helps him. I mean,
Oh,
he was
yeah.
having a problem with getting hot. Don't get hot.
Oh, yeah.
I just built him a little rack, put one
Yeah.
fan upside down. And one
You couldn't
hot.
see it, but it's underneath it?
Yeah, the fans are underneath.
That's a good idea. Awesome. Appreciate it. Hey, it's hot today.
You gotta get you a sticker.
Awesome. What happened to your window?
Hey, this is a funny story. My dog jumped on me and hit the steering wheel, and I hit the goddamn.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.